My name is Sami Arpa. I am CEO and co-founder of Largo. I am originally coming from Turkey, where I did my bachelor and master studies in computer science at Bilkent University. And in 2013, I joined Image and Visual Representation Lab at EPFL. I finished my PhD in 2018, and right after that, we started Largo after seeing a problem in movie industry that we can solve with our technologies. With our product Largo AI, we provide next-generation storytelling tools by using artificial intelligence. Traditional movie industry today struggles with the lack of technology in their production and decision-making process, while some big players like Netflix and Amazon are using data-driven intelligence. We are in a close collaboration with Image and Visual Representation Lab, which is led by Professor Sami Arpa. And with the supports like Enable, InnoGrant, and InnoBooster, we have joint projects between IVRL and Largo. EPFL is a great center for both innovation and also entrepreneurship, and we can take advantage of both of these from EPFL by working with world-class laboratories, but at the same time getting support for the commercialization of these innovations through support programs and also from the other entrepreneurs inside the ecosystem.